Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, tomorrow I roll off to surgery at 7 a.m. in the morning. So, finally, gonna get this thing done here in Merida, Mexico. The anesthesiologist just rolled through and they told me they're gonna be intubating me in the morning and emphasized the fact that I won't be asleep when they do it, when they do the intubation, because of the way my airway is pushed off to the side. So not looking forward to that part of it, but at least during the surgery I'll be asleep. So it's expected to last for about 3.5 hours. But overall, I'm feeling great. I'm grateful this thing wasn't cancerous. I'm grateful that I'll be able to resume a normal day, a normal life once this surgery is over. So got about a 2-week recovery time after this procedure, and I look forward to getting back out there in these Merida streets. And again, I just want to thank everybody for all their kind words, contributions, donations, prayers, everything. I sincerely appreciate it. It's been a big help, and I'm very humbled. So thank you. I'll update y'all after the surgery. Hopefully, if I'm feeling well, I'll be able to make an update. It might be the following day. It all depends on how I feel. So keep me in your prayers. Whatever help or donation you can extend, I got some links down below in the video. So click the description below the video. You'll see the link to the CashApp and the Zelle and the GoFundMe. Every penny helps. So I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much.